Think you need to cram for hours to ace your exams. Prepare to have everything you know about studying turned upside down. Psychology reveals the shocking truth. The more time you spend with your notes, the less you might actually remember. Discover the science-backed secrets to 10x your study efficiency and unlock your true learning potential. Let's jump into how psychology can make you a study machine. The first key is active recall. Forget just passively reading your notes. Active recall is like a mental workout where you try to remember the information without looking. Think of it like this. Instead of just staring at a flashcard with a definition, try to say the definition out loud first. Then flip the card to check if you were right. Doing practice questions and tests is another great way to use active recall. It's way more effective than just rereading the textbook. Next up is spaced repetition. This means reviewing information at increasing intervals. Don't try to cram everything in one night. Our brains learn better when we spread out the learning over time. There are apps that can help you schedule your reviews, or you can just make your own schedule. For example, review the material one day after learning it, then 3 days later, then a week later, and so on. It really helps with long-term memory. Now let's talk about interleaving. Most people study one subject at a time, but psychology shows that mixing things up is better. Interleaving means studying different subjects or topics in the same study session. So, instead of spending 3 hours on math, try doing an hour of math, then an hour of history, then an hour of science. It might feel harder at first, but that's because your brain is actually working harder to distinguish between the different concepts, which leads to better understanding. Elaboration is another powerful technique. This is all about connecting new information to what you already know. The more connections you make, the easier it is to remember. Try summarizing what you've learned in your own words, or even better, teach it to someone else. Explaining it out loud forces you to really understand the material. Don't forget about mind mapping and summarization. These are great for organizing information and seeing the big picture. Mind maps can help you visually connect different concepts, while summaries help you condense information into its most important parts. Experiment with different methods and find what works best for you. Also, think about your study environment and how you manage your time. Find a quiet place where you won't be distracted. Try techniques like time blocking, where you schedule specific blocks of time for studying. Task management can also help you break down big assignments into smaller, more manageable tasks. Don't wait until the last minute to start studying. Procrastination is the enemy of efficient learning. So, we've covered a lot of ground here, from active recall to spaced repetition, interleaving, elaboration, mind mapping, and effective time management. But even with these powerful techniques, there are still some unanswered questions. For instance, how do these strategies interact with different learning styles? And what's the optimal way to personalize these techniques for individual needs? These are topics for future exploration and research. If you found these study secrets helpful, give this video a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this.